Greenworks GPW3002A Gen 2 review, near gas cleaning power with quieter, easier upkeep. You know that moment when a patio still looks dingy after real effort and your afternoon starts slipping away? I once watched a neighbor drag out a weak electric washer, rinse the same section twice, then give up and grab a brush. That gets old. If you've had a cleanup day stall like that, you probably know the feeling. The frustration is not just the mess. It's the wasted time, the low shoulder tension, and that mental fog when a tool feels almost strong enough, but never quite gets there. I remember hearing a smaller unit whine through a driveway pass that barely lifted algae. Not ideal. That is usually when people start hoping there's a cleaner, quieter way forward. Then everything changed when I used the Greenworks GPW3002A Gen 2. Don't just buy any electric pressure washer. Make sure it has a 14-amp true brushless motor so you never suffer from weak electric cleaning performance again. In everyday use, that translates into 4 big wins: faster progress on driveways and patios, quieter operation than gas units, no gas or oil maintenance, and simpler setup with a standard household outlet. The 25-foot kink-resistant hose and 35-foot GFCI cord give you room to move without constant repositioning, while the 5 quick connect nozzles let you shift from siding to vehicles to stubborn concrete with less fuss. Here's the nice surprise. A homeowner I know nearly ran out of time before family arrived, switched to the turbo nozzle, and watched a dark concrete strip brighten in one pass. Another used the soap tank on outdoor furniture and realized this machine quietly works well for lighter detail jobs too, not just brute force blasting. One practical insight still matters though, and it becomes clearer after longer use. That longer use insight is where the Greenworks GPW3002A Gen 2 starts to make even more sense. A hands-on review found roughly 2,300 psi and 1.27 GPM in testing, which translated to 2,921 cleaning units and real confidence on tough surfaces. A Bob Vila tester used it across concrete, brick siding, cedar decking, automobiles, and even a grungy bird bath over 3 weeks, which says a lot about day-to-day versatility. One user said it blasted dirt and algae off driveways and sidewalks while staying quiet enough to feel far less disruptive than gas. I have felt that difference myself. Cleaning becomes less of an event and more of a task you actually finish. Now, the honest objection is flow rate. At full pressure, real-world output is lower than the max marketing spec, so very large or heavily soiled areas can take longer than with a higher GPM gas model. That expectation reset matters. But for most residential jobs, the brushless motor, quiet operation, vertical storage, and 10-year motor warranty make the trade-off feel practical rather than limiting. See why more homeowners keep moving this direction? If you want outdoor cleaning to feel simpler, quieter, and more controlled without giving up serious power, the Greenworks GPW3002A Gen 2 is a very sensible next step. More homeowners are leaning toward electric pressure washers like this because the convenience finally feels strong enough to replace the old gas routine. Results may vary. I still remember how different cleanup felt once setup stopped being half the job. If you want to take a closer look, click the link in the description and experience the difference today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.